Preparation. Place the machine on a clean, flat surface and ensure the machine is level. We knock the printhead with this to prevent damage from collisions during transportation. So first we need to remove this part. Turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the clamping. Move the cart to the left. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides. Connect the voltage regulator. In order to ensure the sublimation printer can work normally under the standard voltage, we need to configure the voltage regulator. The power of the voltage regulator is about 3 kW to 5 kW. The input wires are connected to the neutral wire and the live wire of the external power supply. Connect earth wire. Choose 110 volts or 220 volt output wires to connect to the printer according to the local voltage. Power on for self-test. Connect power. Turn on leakage protection and the printer. After machine self-test, if the printer control panel shows this, it means everything is okay. If there is an error, emergency stop and check the connection lines of the nozzle and each board. Install printer control software. Double-click Setup. Select your language. Here we select Row and select Net. Accept the agreement. Click Next. And wait for the installation to complete. Next, we're going to connect the printer to computer via a LAN cable. The important thing is to make sure you have a gigabit Ethernet. For wide collection, if you see the word gigabit or GBE in the device name, the adapter is gigabit capable. Install ink supply system. Turn off the printer. Install the large ink bottles. Connect the no ink align lines for each ink bottles according to the mark. And then connect the primary no ink line. Insert the ink suction tubers into the cartridges. Next, we're going to connect the ink tubers. Connect the ink inlet tubers and the ink outlet tubers according to the ink colors. After collecting the ink cartridges, fill the ink bottles with sublimation ink. And here we can adjust the ink flow rate. install the paper rollers. Next, we're going to load the paper roll. First, take out the paper feeder air shaft. Press the deflation button to deflate. Slide the air shaft into the core. Use an inflation pump to inflate. After inflation, the inflation pump will automatically stop. Next, we're going to install the damping rubber roller. Put the damping rubber roller on and tighten the screws on both sides. Make sure the installation direction is narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. Install the paper feeding shaft. Lift the pitch roller and feed the paper out. Make sure the pitch rollers are in the center of the paper and the tightness of both sides of the paper is consistent. Connect the paper take-up shaft. Thread the paper from the bottle shaft to the back. And collect it to the paper take-up shaft. Keep both air shafts the same distance from the edge. Lock the lever. Push the paper clips on both sides to fix the paper. Fill inks. If you want to complete the ink filling quickly, you can use a syringe. Make sure that your hands are dry during the operation. Take out the ink damper. Hold both sides of the ink damper. Do not touch the middle place to prevent the ink from being squeezed out. Draw slowly and firmly until the ink fills the damper. And then insert the ink damper back into the print head. Print nozzle test. Now let's do a clean and print a nozzle check. Print head alignment. And next we're going to do print head alignment. And calibrate. We need to print this calibration chart one by one. And according to adjust these numbers to make all lines straight and zero. Print jobs. After calibration, we import a job and click the print icon to print it.